Whether you're an aspiring fashion designer looking for the next big trend, a musician looking to sell more merchandise, or a non-profit looking to raise funds for a cause, the same design fundamentals can help artists of all levels land on a successful t-shirt idea. How make a great t-shirt design? Learn how to design, brand, and make t-shirts and merch that resonates. Whether you're an aspiring fashion designer looking for the next big trend, a musician looking to sell more merchandise, or a non-profit looking to raise funds for a cause, the same design fundamentals can help artists of all levels land on a successful t-shirt idea. We'll go over 10 things to think about when designing your next t-shirt, such as understanding the purpose of your product, researching your market, using color theory, and considering the power of words. We'll also talk about branding, how to find new inspiration, and how to map out usable t-shirt space. Continue watching for 10 tips, tricks, and rules to help you design a t-shirt that stands out and appeals to the broadest possible range of customers. 1. Aim to delight. When designing your t-shirt, resolve to establish an ongoing emotional bond between your customer and the design. A great t-shirt can become a wardrobe staple over time, earning the apparel brand that designed it loyalty and trust. However, the first time a customer sees your t-shirt, you must entice them with joy, surprise, or humor. 2. Originality. A great t-shirt design should be unique and original. It should stand out from the crowd and be something that people want to wear. 3. Quality. The quality of the t-shirt itself is just as important as the design. Use high-quality materials that will hold up after multiple washes and wearings. 4. Do your research. You'll need to research your competition, your consumer, and your vendor as you move forward with your t-shirt design. Look around at other t-shirt designs in your industry first. Are your ideas too similar to what's already out there? Investigate what other brands are doing and apply what you learn from their successes to your work, without stealing their design elements. 5. Design something you would wear. A great t-shirt is really two things done well, the concept and the execution. Finding the right concept all boils down to knowing what message you want to convey. Everything happens in your head and in a sketchbook. Have that message baked in your head, whether it's just promoting your brand or something more highbrow, conceptual, or political. Concentrate on creating something you would like to wear or buy for someone you know. Designing something with a message you believe in will instill your enthusiasm in the finished product. 6. Use your words. Many iconic t-shirts lack images and instead rely solely on typography. Staple describes type t-shirts as some of the most powerful t-shirts. They have withstood the test of time. Typography can be extremely effective in its simplicity. When considering t-shirt design ideas with words, make the statement brief and to the point. Anyone who comes across the shirt should be able to comprehend it at a look. The readability of your text is determined by the typeface and hues you use. 7. Understand your usable space. When deciding how to bring a t-shirt design concept to life, you'll want to consider all of your choices for your blank canvas. You can choose between a normal short-sleeved t-shirt, a long-sleeved t-shirt, a tank, a sweatshirt, or a jacket for your designs. You can have the design on both the back and front of the blouse, saturate the complete garment with graphics, or have one small element on the collar. The possibilities are limitless, and you're not limited to the conventional areas you're used to seeing depicted on a tee. 8. Consider color. Your knowledge of how to use colors together will develop as you acquire more design expertise. After a while, your innate color perception will feel like a superpower. Purchase a color wheel for a few bucks and keep it close at hand. Color is extremely essential when designing a t-shirt. The more ink colors used, the more costly the garment to produce. This is why most commercial t-shirts are only 2 or 3 colors. 9. Keep creating. Most profitable t-shirt businesses aren't founded on a single brilliant concept. A designer must work on a regular basis to introduce new designs and improve existing ones. There are numerous methods to continue expanding on your basic ideas as you construct your catalog. Consider the following: develop a central character and put that character in a wide variety of settings. Develop a logo or typography message and change its size and surroundings. Tailor your shirts to the seasons. 10. Brand your tees. If you're designing t-shirts for your own firm, each design should be related to your business. Choose an element that identifies and solidifies your identity, even if each design is very distinct. On each picture, you could use a tiny emblem on a sleeve, an embroidered element on the hemline, or your autograph. By keeping these fundamentals in mind, you can create a great t-shirt design that people will love to wear. Thank you and God bless everyone. Enjoy designing your own t-shirt.